Alrighty, so 4400 John Deere, making this video for other people like me who might need a little help with this. So cover up, you got all it's exposed. There is a cover plate over here. You turn it over, you take the rod out, you put it back in the hole, and that is going to be your timing pin. On the inside, it is going to be hard to see through a camera, but there is a 0 right there. That is your 0-degree timing, so top dead center. Essentially, you could flip it all the way over, get 180-degree out, but you don't want that. You want to make sure you look at your injection pump, and those two lines have to line up like they do right now. Now just be careful when you have a new pump. When you get it, the two lines don't quite line up, and what will have to happen is when you install this new pump, the bolt holes right over here are slotted, and you'll have to line those two up and then snug the bolts down, because there is a drive shaft on the front cover there, and you'll have to essentially time everything up correctly. So in this case, this motor starts, dies. It's got good fuel supply. Electric lift pump and mechanical lift pump are working. We bypass the fuel supply, put a clean 5-gallon bucket of fuel up here with a little electric pump, and pretty much try to force as much fuel as we could into the pump, would still start and die. There is little to no return fuel coming out of this pump, and that is a common failure with the Stanadyne rotary pumps, from my understanding. So usually it's like the swash plate or whatever they call it, goes bad, breaks, made out of plastic. It's a piece of shit, and you got to replace them. So pull your AC compressor out if it has AC. Get a little bit more room to rotate the engine by hand, because as you're trying to push this pin over here and rotating it over on the left hand side, you got to feel it dropping in the slot. And if you can, I think you can see 0 right there. Yeah, you can see 0. There's 0. So just a little tech tip for somebody struggling like I was. So